Hey guys, welcome back to Motorize. In this video I'm going to be making a tool roll for my Dyna. I've been doing a lot of leather working lately, and this tool roll I was inspired by Whale & Co. brothers out of Japan. So shout out to them. They do some great work. They make some cool motorcycle seats. So in this video I used a bunch of scrap I had laying around from some seats that I made, and I hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe. Thank you. As you can see, I'm just using some old scraps from some seats I had laying around, and you just cut them down to size. Once you have all your pieces cut down, this is the front edge of where you store the tools. I'm just putting a double stitch on that. Here you can see I'm just measuring it, how wide I want the pockets to be. So I just grabbed a wrench, and it worked out to be about 2 inches per pocket and about 6 pockets. Here I'm marking out my stitch lines just to sew the pockets in. Go ahead and sew them up. On the inside pocket, you cut it a little smaller so you can fold over the outer edges so you can get a nice clean edge, and then you sew that up all the way around. Once I got all the edges sewn up, I was able to test fit the wrench. It's looking pretty good so far. As you can see here, I'm working out the pocket that has the button clasp on it. You can get these button kits. They're heavy duty button kits from like craft stores. And you just poke a hole in the center and you slide it through, and then you hook the two pieces together. Hit it with a hammer. Once you're all done lining up the tool bag, you can clean up all the threads with a lighter and burn off all the ends. My sewing machine's a Conso 225. I picked it up off Facebook Marketplace, and it needed some work. It's been sitting a couple years, but once I got everything up and working, it's working out great. It's a triple action sewing machine, so it's good for leather. Once you have the bag all done, now it's time to put the two pieces together. As you can see, I'm trying to line everything up and figuring out where I'm going to stitch it. I ended up doing a double stitch just to make sure they don't come apart. Here I'm using a ruler to measure out the 1-inch strips. Then you cut them 2 inches and fold them over and sew them. As you can see here, I'm doing a double stitch on the strips. Once I had all the straps sewn up, I used rivets to drill a hole through the leather, and then you snap them together, and then you hit them with a hammer. You can get those at the craft store too. Here you can see I'm trying to figure out how to make the straps adjustable, because based on how many tools you put in the bag, you may want to be able to make the straps really tight. So I found some old brackets from some luggage, and I used them to make the straps fully adjustable. Now it's time to test fit some tools, make sure it works. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.